Greetings to all. Now, this is the second demo on the regular expression package in Python. We have already seen how the matching function works, and now, following that, we are going to discuss about the compile method in regular expressions. Right? So, what is the use of this compile method? It is very simple. In matching, we generated a pattern and found whether any string is going to match this pattern and say that yes, this string is common to this string or equal to this string and so on. This is what we did in matching. In compile, it is somewhat different. It can be understood as some pre-processing or an extraction term for every string. For example, if I have a set of strings, a string has several characters and I need to extract a particular type of characters alone from the string. Say for example, if there is a line and I want to extract all the vowels from that line, then I should use some compilation. And if there is a huge number of lines and I want to extract the numbers alone from that paragraph, or I want to extract only the alphabets from that paragraph, I want to extract the spaces alone from that paragraph, or I want to extract only the special symbols, say for a particular symbol like hash, dollar, or something. I want to extract those things. Everything is going to act upon the string which is given in during test. So these kind of things can be done by using this compile method. Now we will go into our compiler and see how this can be done, right? So very simple. First import the package, RegEx package. So what is how to do that? Import re. Now my package is ready, and I go into my program. So the program is going to be very simple. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a string. I take a string and extract all the characters between A and E. Right? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a string and extract all the characters between A and E. That's what I'm going to do. Very simple task, being the initial program. So what I'm going to do, just to say some pattern P is equal to re.compile. We are discussing compile method, so obviously we need to use the compile. So re.compile, what I'm going to do is I'm going to initialize what is my pattern, right? This pattern can be recognized as a formula for to be applied to the given string, right? What is my formula? The formula is very simple. You have to take the characters between A and E. That's it. So what I have done here, I have taken something called as a regular expression set or a regular expression sequence between A and E, which includes A, B, C, D, and E. So this regular expression pattern or a regular expression formula states that it will extract all the characters in any given string between A and D. So it will extract characters between A and D from any given string. That's what this formula says. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do something like print p dot find all. So I say another method in regular expression called as find all. So this find all method, what is going to do? It is going to find all the characters between A and E in the given string. So what is going to be a given string is I am Professor Raja Subramanian. So that's my self-introduction. So I'm saying I am Professor R. Raja Subramanian or I am Professor Raja Subramanian. So this is the string I gave, and I need to extract all the characters between A and E from this given string. I say find all the characters. So just run the program. Yes, it says these things A, B, A. Okay. So this is the thing what I have actually obtained, right? So very simple, extracting a particular character from a given string. So this is what I have done, right? Now let us go into a slightly deeper sense. What we can do with this? I want to extract some space. Why not only the characters being represented using hyphen? I can also represent A, comma, C, comma, E. Only three characters. What it will do? Let us experiment this and see. It is extracting only A, C, and E in the given string. There is no character C. So C is not extracted, right? So if you want to represent intervals, you can use the hyphen A hyphen E. Or if you want to enumerate the characters, then you can use the comma separations, right? So this is how you use. Next, I add this to a little bit higher, right? I am Professor Raja Subramanian. I am teaching Python for 3 years, say 3 years, and I want to extract this number 3 from the given string. The given string is very large, and the 3 is a single character or a single digit in this big string. How to extract that digit alone, right? That's what is a big thing, right? What I'll do, just to say D, digit, I can represent it as D. D stands for digits. So I say D. You have to prefix every character. If you want to change into a regular expression, make it as an escape sequence, and I make slash D. I say slash D. Now let us see what happens with this. Yes, I got 3. Yes, that's very simple, right? Now I want to extract the number 3. I just say slash D. I got the number 3 came outside, right? It is very simple. Now I want to take the words out from these things. How to take the words? Words can be abbreviated as W. So let us see what happens now. Now that words is now being extracted being as a individual characters. Now you can ask me a thing. Now I say slash W, but it is giving me an individual character. You have to understand a particular point in Python programming that each individual character or a string or a group of characters will be treated as same in Python programming. In C or Java, you'll be having either a single character as a character data type and a group of character as a string data type or a character array data type. In Python, both are same. Both are represented as a string. And if you are saying a character, it is a string of size 1. So this is how you actually separate a string and a character in Python. So that's why you get all the things appearing here. I am Professor Raja Subramanian. Everything is actually coming. And if you notice very clearly, you don't get the space coming out because you say slash W. So I get only alphabets, alphanumerics, right? I don't get special characters or spaces, right? So this is clear. So I get this slash W and have a little more play. If I make it slash W, capital W, what happens? The opposite thing happens. The opposite thing is nothing but those things which are not printed in W will get printed in capital W. That is the special character space. So space is getting printed out for me. So this is the difference between the small and the capital. Now you'll be coming to a point that if I make small w to capital W, it is printing non-words. Why shouldn't I try capital D? Small d is printing me 3. What the capital D is going to print me? Let us see. See, it is printing everything except 3. So capital D is printing everything except the number, right? That's what you need to understand, right? Hope this is very clear on how to use symbols for words and digits. And one more thing, I can also use yes. You can say very clearly on what is the meaning of yes. Yes, exactly, space. So I can also extract space from the given string. See, I got the spaces. Now, immediately what we are going to do, we are going to change this S, that is small s, to a capital S. I change the small s to capital S and see that except space, everything will get printed for me. So that's what I do with respect to this regular expressions. So now we have seen small d, capital D, small w, capital W, small s, and capital S. We also know how to use the sets, starting from characters separated by hyphens or characters separated by commas, right? This is how the compile function and the find all function will work with respect to the regular expression package. Thank you.